Good morning, kids. Today we are going to learn Scratch. Scratch is a platform where you can do block based coding. As you all are started learning coding, now you want to learn how to write code. But for initial learning, there are two ways. One is text based and another one is block based. So on Scratch, you can learn block based coding. So to start learning block-based coding, first you have to create your account on scratch.mit.edu platform. You will go there first and then you will click on this Join Scratch button. Once you click on Join Scratch button, it will look something like this. Okay, so on this you are going to first create your username. Let me create a username. Okay, after creating a username, I'm going to create a password. You can create any password of your choice. Okay, after creating a password, then what will happen? Let's see. Or you can ask your parents to create an account for you. Okay, so we have written a username. Username is already taken, so I have to make another username. Okay, let me add 123 on it rather than creating. It's also taken. Oh my god. Okay, so let me try 111. It's also taken. So now I'm going to add, keep on adding 1 till it is not taken. Okay, so now it is not taken. That's I think, yes. Okay, so now I'm going to create next. Here you have to write your country. So I'm going to write my country and then I'm going to click on next, and in next we have to write our birth year and month. Okay, so let me write my birth and year and see. Okay, kids, so let's write this and then we'll click next and then tell who we are, and then we have to write our email address. Okay, because for joining you need a email address. Let's write an email address. Okay, good. So once you have written the email address, you will get some page like this. You are now logged in. You can start exploring and creating project. Okay, so now you have to review the community guidelines. Okay. Okay, kids. So let's start creating our new Scratch project after reading these guidelines. Okay. Okay, so after creating your complete account, it is going to look something like this. Here, your username is there. Where, see, one option is profile. So if you will open your profile, you will see lots of things. Right now it's not required for you, you are just joined. Then there is a section my stuff. So once you will start creating your projects, your all projects will be visible in this section. After creating few projects, then we will come to my stuff and see all those projects here. Okay, and after that, this is an option of account setting where you can do your account setting. After account setting, if you want to sign out, you can sign out with the help of this button. Okay, kids. Okay, so let's explore Scratch a bit more. Okay, so to start working with Scratch, first you have to go to your account and confirm your email. Once you have confirmed your email, it will be easy for you to create a new project or save it. Okay, so once you have confirmed your email, your page, your Scratch page is going to look like this. Okay, in this page there are lots of things you can see. Don't worry, I will teach you each and everything step by step, and you will be able to create your own projects in Scratch. Okay, so one by one we are going to learn each and every part of Scratch. So first thing, Scratch is a block based programming language. So in this, what happens, you have to select a block. See, this is a block. Can you see it's written something here? So this is a block. So you will take this block, put it in your workspace. This is your workspace. See, this empty space is your workspace. Here you are going to write your code with the help of these blocks. These are the blocks which you are going to arrange to make your screen or project do some task. And this is the space where you are going to see the output. This is your output screen, or in Scratch it is called stage. This is your stage where whatever code you have written or whatever block you have dragged, whatever those blocks are doing, that you can see here. Okay, and now after this, this is a space where all your characters will be there. See, if you are creating any project, there will be some character who is doing something, right? So those all characters you can put here. Right now, by default, there is one character. This sprite is there. Every character is called sprite. In Scratch, we call them sprite. So there is a default cat sprite which is already there. So if you want to add more sprite, you will click on this button, and then you can search for sprite. See, there are lots of sprite. You can select any sprite and add it as per your requirement. Okay, so any sprite of your choice, you can go there, add it, and then you can keep on creating your project. Okay, so let's see if I add this butterfly. So if this butterfly is here, and it has also got added to your stage. Okay, okay, so when you will click on sprite 1, you will be able to get a workspace where you can write code for sprite 1, and when you will click on butterfly, you will get space to write code for butterfly. Okay, after that, there is a stage. This is a stage section on which you can have different backdrops. If you want your stage to have a backdrop, see, what is the difference between character and a backdrop? Characters can do something. Backdrop will be static, it will not do anything. You may change colors on backdrop, but it will not move. Okay, so if you want any backdrop, again same way as you did in the sprite, you can search and you can see lots of options for backdrop. Also, you can use any backdrop of your choice and add it at the background. Okay, so these are few basics which I have told you about Scratch and the platform. Okay, so let me show you one more thing which will help you out a bit. Like when you start the game, like we have taken, see, I'll teach you how to put all the blocks right now just to make you understand. I'm doing it. Okay, so later on I'll teach you in the next lesson. You will learn how to do all those steps. If you want to delete any block, just put it back. Okay. Okay, so I have taken this block. I have taken this block, what I want to do with this block, that all you will learn with time. Okay, so this is your sprite then. So if what I have written, when green flag clicked, move 10 steps. So if I click on green flag, it will move 10 steps. Can you see? It's moving. This way you can write your code. Okay, this is all for today's class, kids. Now we'll meet in next lesson where we will learn more about Scratch and we will create a new project. Okay, so now in your comments you can ask any question you have regarding this video. I will try to answer all your questions. Okay kids, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.